So in my last session we saw what are variables, and in this session we'll be dealing with what are different types of data types available for Python coding. So in this video we will be mainly dealing with these data types, which includes boolean, integer, decimal and string. So let's see what is string. So let me give an example for that. Let's go name equal to programming for fun. So the things which are given inside the codes are strings, or basically strings are just plain text. So next then is number. I'm just gonna give this, the last session we saw that this number, name, everything is gonna be variable for us. So I'm gonna give number as 10. So here number is an integer type, and this one is decimal. I'm just gonna specify it as 15.5. Here 15.5 has some floating values, hence is called as decimal. And the next one is boolean data type, which is true or false, which will be either true or false. So these are the three basic data types which is going to be used in our Python programming. So let me show one simple addition programming using variables and integers. I'm just going to give a as 15 and b as some 10. So I'm gonna print the value of a plus b. So I'm just gonna run this code, and you can see that the sum of a plus b is being displayed here. So 15 plus 10 is gonna be 25. So that's it for this video. Subscribe and stay tuned for my next session.